Calling Cherokee Male Cadet Samarian, Acabo Jem Alfred B. from Sicilians, Red Armor. Please proceed to Court 4. Court 1. And then Gonzales MacLever from Consolacion Dragons, Blue Armor. Please proceed to Court 1 inspection area. Acabo Jem Alfred and Gonzales MacLever. Please proceed to Court 1 inspection area.
Next to perform Pulsay Female Cadet Blue, player number 1, Angel Ann Zafra. Player number 2, Audrey Fatima Pasay Obanbu. Player number 3, Marco Sian Villarojo Obanbu. Ready?
AJ Litilio Sakura of Sicilians. Please proceed to court number 3. Last call. Litilio Sakura of Sicilians. Please proceed to court number 3.
Next to perform for Pulsay, next from this category.
Calling Cherokee Male Cadet Novice, Serdilia John Cale from Anbu, Red Armor, Mendoza Lloyd Frances of Jaguars, Blue Armor. Please proceed to Court 3 inspection area. Gonzaga Jendel from AJ Taekwondo, Red Armor, Sanong John Kerwin, Blue Armor of Consolacion Dragons. Please proceed to Court 3 inspection area. Again, calling Serdilia John Cale of Anbu, Red Armor, Mendoza Lloyd Frances, Jaguars, Blue Armor. Proceed to Court 3 inspection area. And Gonzaga Jandel, Red Armor, Sanong John Kerwin, Blue Armor. Please proceed to Court 3 inspection area.
Second match. Cherokee Female Junior Novice. Court 2. Red Armor, Bibigo Kiana, Sicilians. Blue Armor, Rosario Ashley Ann.
Blue. Winners. Gold. Angel and Zafra of Sicilians. Silver. Audrey Fatima Pasay of Anbu. Bronze. Margot Sian Figueroa of Anbu.
Purity Male Cadet Samaria, court number 1. Red Armor, Acabo Jem Alfred of Sicilian. Blue Armor, Gonzales Maclevera, Clever, A. CTD. Please proceed to the court number 1.
Calling all Taekwondo athletes, please observe lang po. Kung itawag ang inyong pangalan, paminaw po kung asa mo mag-court para paspas ang atong dagay. Okay. Purity Male Cadet Novice. Proceed to court for inspection area. Divina Gracia Dico Jules. Red Arbor. Vivian Rosa Rodron of KJ Taekwondo Blue Arbor. Agravante Xavier from Sicilians Red Arbor. Waminal Chantil Angelo Blue Arbor of KJ Taekwondo. Please proceed. Katong tanan gitawag nako, please proceed to court for inspection area.
Next to perform for Pumse Male Cadet Yellow, player number 1, Zaire Sian Caga of Sicilians, and player number 2, Dominic Michael Dinoyo of Sicilians. Please prepare. Player number 1, Jim Alfred Acabo. Kirukilang ka.
Kurogi Female Junior Novice. Red Armor, Butak Antoinette, KGBKB. Blue Armor, Belvestre Luxmi, Zipsilians. Please proceed to court number 2. Repeat, second match. Butak Antoinette, KGBKB of Red Armor. Blue Armor, Luxmi, Belvestre, Zipsilian. Please proceed to court number 2.
Please prepare for Pumse Male Cadet Red. Player number 1, Dean Christian Sean of Panthers. Player number 2, Dean Anthony Baton of Anbu. And please prepare also for Pumse Female Junior White. Player number 1, Janine Inato of CTB. Player number 2, Catherine Cardosa of Sicilians. Player number 3, Villa Lastimoso of Sicilians.
Calling Kurogi Girls Grade School.
Please prepare Pumse Female Junior White, Fatima Bailon of Sicilians, Kristen Joy of Sicilians, Zamora Litihio of Sicilians, and Shiang Abdon of Sicilians.
Okay, calling Kurogi Boys Grade School sa Merian. Saman Tanyas Janter Chop of Sicilians Red Arbor. And Policious Shield Jean Jaguars Blue Arbor. Please proceed to court 1, inspection area.
Pumse Male Cadet winners for yellow category. Gold. Zaire Sia Kagang of Sicilians.
Next,
Silver. Dominic Michael Dinoyo of Sicilians. Sige, ikaw na, sir.
next match, Kurogi Female Junior Novice. Blue Armor,
Okay, fight pagbalik.
Last call. Kirugi female senior novice. Utang active. Red armor. Golvestri Lakshmi. Blue armor. Please proceed to court number 2.
Kuman, next na to ano nila, daw pa man yun. Likod pa man sila.
Next match, Kirugi female junior novice. Court number 2, Nakario Precious Zaira, Anbu, Ibanez Ariasa Islands. Please proceed to court number 2. Nakario of red armor, blue armor, Ibanez. Please proceed to court number 2.
Lakshmi, asa man mo kontra?
Last and final call. Last and final call. Utang Antoinette, KGPKD. Utang na lang.
Hoy, pagpakila ninyo.
Next match. Next match, people. Court number 2, red armor, Nakario Precious Zaira, Anbu. Blue armor, Ibanez Ariesa Titans. Please prepare.
Please lang, kanina sa mats, gani, kana. Pwede ba mapadamping mo? Ang taekwondo, enthusiast, dili na magpabadlog. Diba? Dapat disiplinado. So, ang dapat, tuman unsa ang rules. So, mamalihog mi na kung pwede, all players only are allowed inside the ground area. Please lang po, only the players are allowed.
Jose Male Cadet winners, blue category, gold. Gerald Nino Torres of House of Iron Taekwondo. Silver, Evox Sander Uluspa of Southern 45ers. Next to perform, player number 1 for Jose Male Cadet, Nashon Dean Christian of Panthers. And player number 2, Baton Dean Anthony of Ango.
Okay. Announcement, YJH 470 Honda City white color and GJM 912 Revo Tabarao FX green ang color. Naadili ang traffic enforcer. Pwede daw pag-i-adjust sa inyong sakyanan. Thank you.
Announcing next. Okay, match. Kirugi male cadet novice. Red armor, Sordilia John Kyle Anbu. Blue armor, Mendoza, Lloyd, Francis, Jaguars. Please proceed to court number 3. Kyorugi Male Cadet Novice. Gonzaga Janelle Jandel KG Tikidi Red Armor. Kanuo John Kerwin CBD Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 3. Thank you. Kyorugi Boys, Grade School Summerian, Red Armor, Samontañez Jolter Shop, Zipsilians, Blue Armor, Policious, Zion G Jaguars, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 1.
Jose Male Cadet Red. Winners. Gold. Dean Christian Ashon of Panthers. Silver. Dean Anthony Baton of Anbu. Next to perform for Pumse in female junior white, player number 1, Janine Inato of CTD. Player number 2, Catherine Cardosa of Sicilians. Player number 3, Lastimoso Villa of Sicilians. Number 2, Catherine Cardosa. Number 3, Villa Lastimoso. Please prepare. Jim Alfred Acabo of Sicilians for Jose Male Cadet and Miguelito Bahinting of Sicilian.
Calling Kyorugi Male Cadet Novice, Barberos Justine from Jaguars, Blue Armor, and Padua Jose Carlo of Apex Viper, Red Armor. Please proceed to Court 3, inspection area.
Last and final call. Kyorugi Boys Grade School Summerian, Red Armor, Samontañez Jolter Shop, Zipsilians. Blue Armor.
Please prepare
Novice Final. Red Armor, Bandil K. Leon. Blue Armor, Pipito Yana D. Zipsilians. Please proceed to court number 2.
Oy, Jude, ganun nyo.
Kyurugi Male, Cadet Novice, Red Armor, Divina Gracia, Dito Jones, Zipsilians, Blue Armor, Velia, Hermosa Ronron, KG Tikidi. Please proceed to court number 4.
Player number 2, Catherine Cardosa, and player number 3, Villa. You have to perform again to fight for gold and silver. Perform again. Yes, ma'am.
Last and final call. Kyurugi Male, Cadet Novice, Divina Gracia, Dico Jones, Zipsilians, Red Armor, Velia Hermosa, Ronron, KGTKD, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 4. Next game for court number 4, Acramante, Xavier, Zipsilians, Red Armor, Waminal, Jundil Angelo, and KGPD Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 4.
Calling Sir Robert.
Asa man? Try ko, binobro. Abin ako, Brett. Ito.
Jose Female Junior White. Gold, Catherine Carlos of Sicilians. Silver, Willa Lastimoso of Sicilians. And bronze, Janine Inato of CTD.
Announcing
Oo, Bankil.
Next to fight in court number 3. Red Armor, Padua Jose Carlo of Acte versus
2.
Homesay Cadet Male White, player number 1, Jim Alfred Acabo of Sicilians, and player number 2, Miguelito Bahinting of Sicilians. Next, the fight to perform is Homesay Female Junior. Player number 1, Fatima Bailon, Paliogog Liniadan. Player number 2, Christine Joy Beddo. Player number 3, Shakura Itihio. Player number 4, John Anto.
Wala na, babae may galing. Basta man yung
Homesay Female Junior White, gold. Bahinting Miguelito of Sicilians. Fatima Bailon. Wala si Bingo o si Litilio Shakura.
Wala, kailangan na.
Players, paminaw mo sa inyong number.
Last and final call. Philippines.